Welcome to our DIY tutorial on how to use the XL4015 Step-Down Converter with display. This product is capable of driving a 5 amps load with high efficiency and excellent line and load regulation. The module with a voltage meter displays the input voltage, the output voltage, but also the load power. Let's get started. As any other step-down module, this converter uses the same XL4015 circuit. It is capable of 5 amps load up to 36 volts. The circuit has an input connector, an output connector, 2 potentiometers and a display. To power this circuit, I will use a 2-wire cable from a power supply. Be sure to check the right polarity. After connecting this one, I will use a connector to connect a digital measurement device, also a load later. We will connect the input to the power supply. After turning the power supply on, we will observe something on the display. By pressing this button, we will turn on and off the display. When this red LED is on, the display will show the input voltage from the power supply. Pressing this button once, the display will show the output voltage, which can be set from this potentiometer. Clockwise or counterclockwise, depending on your need. We can change the output voltage, as you can see on both displays. Pressing this button once again, the display will show the load current in amps. 0 in this case because we don't have any load yet. Pressing this button once again, the display will show the power of the load in watts, also 0. Pressing the button again, the display will cycle all those values: input voltage, output voltage, current and power. Pressing the button one more time will bring the display to the initial page, which is input voltage. Let's turn off the power supply and connect the DC motor as our load. After turning the power supply on again, we will observe some readings on the display: the output voltage, the load current, and the load power. We'll navigate back to the output voltage and change the value. Let's change the display to the load current and set the current limit from this potentiometer. When the circuit enters in current limiter, this red LED will be on, and you can see every value is changed. We can go down to 1.25 volts and up to 32 volts or 15 volts in my case. So this is it. Very simple, steady and easy to set up. Stay tuned for our next tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more DIY tutorial like this.